So these 5-gallon buckets here, these are, as you can see from the label, sauerkraut that I made in November 2015. And it was actually excellent sauerkraut. And I made a lot of it, almost 10 gallons of it, so I gave a lot away. At the end of the season, 2016, I then forgot about the sauerkraut. And then since then, I've just been afraid to look at it. So it's been sitting in our garage for 4 years. So I'm gonna open it up now. We're gonna see what the story is. So sauerkraut reveal, 4 years old, unrefrigerated, uncanned, naturally lactofermented. What will we find? Let's open these suckers up and find out. Bucket number 1. Yeah, it's pretty cold out here. It's right about freezing, early November. Wow! It doesn't smell too bad or look too bad. It smells like sauerkraut. The juice just looks like a little darker sauerkraut juice. Let's get this knife in here and let's pull off this lid here and see what we got underneath there. Holy crap. It's still recognizable as sauerkraut. Good God, look at that. Let's break this up a little bit. Look at that, look at that. Man, down on the bottom there. Look at that. Incredible. It smells super sharp, but not rotted. It just smells like incredibly sour sauerkraut. I'd be willing to bet this is edible, but I'm not going to try it. I'm going to dump it out. I was mostly just curious to see what it looked like. And my guess is the texture is probably pretty soft. Let's see. Oh, the texture's not super soft. It's not shockingly soft. It's not mush. I mean, that's softer than when it went in, but it's still like, you know, recognizably sauerkraut. I bet you can still eat that, but yeah, I don't really want to. In any case, that first bucket, kind of crazy. Doesn't look too bad. Let's check out the second bucket. Bucket number 2. All right, what do we got going on here? It's definitely a darker color liquid. This looks sort of disgusting. This one smells like a dead animal. So this one is something went wildly, terribly wrong here. Geez. Yeah, this one smells like a dead animal corpse. So I'm not even gonna open that up. I bet you anything that the seal wasn't good enough here and some sort of flies or something got in here. Yeah, I don't even want to like crack that open. This one spoiled. But I think the lesson here is if you can keep a really tight seal. This first bucket had a really tight seal. Like it was an almost airtight seal, even though it's not canned and sealed. The seal on it was really good. And I think that that's the trick here. So this is pretty terrible. Yeah, you don't want to smell this. This smells like death, sewage, and nastiness, zombies butts. So in any case, that is pretty incredible. I got a 50% edibility probably on 4-year-old sauerkraut. Incredible. Thanks for watching.